Hi, this is M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today, topic name Aptitude MEDHA 11. Exam paper solutions. Number 1, first example, which is belongs to quantitative aptitude. Total we have 20 questions. 10 questions only quant part, remaining logical part. A first example, find the total number of zeros at the end of the product. 3 to the power of 123 minus 3 to the power of 122 minus 3 to the power of 121 into 2 to the power of 121 minus 2 to the power of 120 minus 2 to the power of 119. Option A 1, B 0, C 119, D 120. Here concept only important. Here concept to calculate only total number of end zeros. Application of total number of end zeros. 10 is multiplied by any number, we get 0, otherwise is not possible. That means suppose 10 to the power of 1 into something 1 0, 10 to the power of 2 into something 2 zeros and so on, 10 to the power of n into something is equal to n zeros. Here concept just we calculate only number of tens, that is only answer of the given example. But here 10 directly not given, this example 3 and 2. If 10 not given, calculate only 10 multiples 2 and 5. This example calculate only 2 and 5, then only 0 possible, otherwise 0 not possible. Suppose this example, first bracket and second bracket using product application. A first bracket, suppose a 3 to the power of 121 is common. When it is common, remaining part 3 to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 1 minus 3 to the power of 0. A 3 to the power of 121 into 9 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 121 into 3 to the power of 2, 9 minus 3 to the power of 1, 3 minus 3 to the power of 0, 1. 9 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 6. This bracket value 3 to the power of 121 into 5. Similarly, calculate second bracket also. Second bracket, suppose 2 to the power of 119 is common. Remaining part 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 2 to the power of 19 into 4 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here next to apply product to application, here addition not possible. If you want to 0, that is purely applicable only multiplication concept but not addition. Reason, here 0 plus something is equal to something not equal to 0. Similarly, 0 into something is equal to 0. This is applicable only in multiplication operator. Here next to apply the multiplication operator, 3 to the power of 121 into 2 to the power of 19 into 5. If 2 to the power of 19 is also written as a 3 to the power of 121 into 2 to the power of 118 into 2 to the power of 1 into 5. A 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 is multiplied by 3 to the power of 121 into 2 to the power of 118 is equal to 10. Option A only correct. This is the method of number of zeros concept. Number of zeros concept, the type of questions are given method. First calculate number of tens. If 10 not given, consider only 10 multiples. A 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 to the power of 1 into something is equal to 10. Here calculate only number of end zeros but not total number of zeros. Here product to application, find out only number of end zeros. This is about first example method. Next, second example. If the distance traveled in meters by a particle in time in seconds is given by the formula S of t is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2 into 2 t square plus t cube. Then what is the distance traveled with the particle in the 5th second? This is only substitution method. Here calculate when t is equal to 4 seconds, when t is equal to 5 seconds, that gap is equal to answer. S of 4 is nothing but the distance up to 4th second. And next S of 5 meaning distance up to 5th second. Here calculate only 5th second means here S of 5 minus S of 4 is equal to 5th second distance. In next substitution method, suppose put t is equal to 4. First one, t is equal to 4. Then S of 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 4 square plus 4 cube. Next, similarly, when t is equal to 5, then S of 5 is equal to 4 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 5 square plus 5 cube. Here calculate S of 4, this is called equation number 1. Next, similarly, equation number 2, S of 5. In next part only simplification. This example method, substitution method, calculate only when t is equal to 4, find the distance, t is equal to 5, again find the distance, a gap between 4 and 5, that is only answer of this example. Method, S of 4 is equal to 4 plus 12, next 16 into 2, 32 plus 4 cube, 64. Yeah, next part, 64 plus 32, 96 plus 4, 100 is equal to 112. This is called equation number 1. Second part, again calculate S of 5 value, 5 cube 125, 5 cube 125, 2 into 5 square and 50, 125 plus 50, 175 plus 15 plus 15, 190 plus 4, 194. Okay, 194. S of 5 is equal to 194. But here 194 is not correct. 194 is nothing but total distance up to 5th second. Total distance up to 5th second is equal to 194. We want only 5th second is equal to 194 minus 112 is equal to 82. Option B only correct. This is about second example method. Next, third example, which is belongs to time, distance and speed application. An aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 5/3 hours, it must travel at a speed of. Here important application only, a same distance method. When distance is constant, the relation between speed and time. When time is constant, when distance is constant, when speed is constant, these three applications only important to time, distance and speed method. When distance is constant, the relation between speed and time, S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. Where S1 speed of first train or speed of first object, a speed of first object 240. Next, time of first object 5. Calculate second speed, speed of second object, second train or second airplane, and T2 5/3 hours. This is called equation method. Relation only important here. Next, again time, distance and speed, second application, conversions also important, but you no need to worry about conversions because time in terms of hour and point, speed also kilometer per hour. Next method, next part only simplification, calculate S2. Here 5 term cancel, then S2 is equal to 240 into 3, 720 kilometer per hour. Option D only correct. Next, fourth example, find the unit digit of the following expression. 888 all to the power of 9235 factorial. Factorial symbol. 222 all to the power of 9235 factorial. 666 all to the power of 2359 factorial. 999 all to the power of 9999 factorial. A5, B9, C3, D, none of the above. Unit digit concept method. Example, Find the last digit of 125 whole to the power of 125. Example. Here calculate only unit digit but not 10 digit and under digit. In 125 calculate only unit digit. In 125 unit digit is equal to 5. Next to apply the power 125. In next 5 to the power of 125. Example. 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5. 5 to the power of 2, 5, 5 to the power of 3, 5 and so on. 5 to the power of n is equal to 5. Therefore, 5 to the power of any number is equal to 5. In next second application, suppose 2, a 2 to the power of 125. 2 to the power of 125 means a 2 to the power of n not equal to 2. Next to apply the property of a unit digit. First property, a 0 power n is equal to 0. 1 power n is equal to 1. Next to 5 power n is equal to 5. 6 power n is equal to 6. Second property. Here last digit property 4 and 9. 4 to the power of odd number is equal to 4. 4 to the power of even number is equal to 6. Similarly, 9 to the power of odd number is equal to 9. 9 to the power of even number is equal to 1. Third property 2, 3, 7, 8 method. 2 property important only, cyclic repetition only important, that observation only important. Suppose a 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 16. We want to only unit digit is equal to 6. Next 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. Unit digit is equal to 2. Observation of 2 unit digit property. Only for numbers are cyclic repeated. A 2486, 2486 are only cyclic repeated. This is about third property. You can check 2, 3, 7, 8. These numbers only for numbers are cyclic repeated. Next concept, when 4 numbers are cyclic repeated, then power divisible by 6, divisible by 4. Suppose this example 2 to the power of 125 property for numbers are cyclic repeated, then power divisible by 5. 125 divisible by 5. Remainder is equal to 1. Remainder is equal to 1. When remainder is equal to 1, first term of the repetition, remainder is equal to 2. Second term of the repetition, remainder is equal to 3. Third term of the repetition, remainder 4 is not possible. 4 by 4, remainder is equal to 0. When remainder is equal to 0, last term of the repetition. This example, last term of the repetition is equal to 6. This is about third concept. First concept to same number. Second concept to check the power, even number and odd number. Third property, verify only 4. That is called cyclic repetition. This example, here 8 to the power of 9235 factorial. In 9235 factorial means 9235 into 9234 into and so on 3 into 2 into 1. This is exactly divisible by 4. This is exactly divisible by 4. Then consider only 8 to the power of 4. Next second part, again that power exactly divisible by 4. Assumption only 2 to the power of 4. Next 6 to the power of any number is equal to 6. 6 to the power of any number is equal to 6. Next 9 to the power of 999 factorial. That 999 factorial means that is always is called even number. Here 9 to the power of even number is equal to 1. Next 8 to the power of 4 6. 2 to the power of 4 6 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 19. Unit digit is equal to 9. Option B only correct. A fourth example, unit digit concept. Next, fifth example, permutations, combinations and probability. Here we want to calculate only probability. A probability is equal to probability of an event is equal to number of events by number of sample. That is called total outcomes is called sample space. Indirectly, event by total is called probability. First calculate total number of possibilities and again calculate event. This example, a tetrahedral die twice. Tetrahedral means it contains only four sides or four faces. A 2 dice means a 4 into 4 is equal to 16. The total possibilities n of s is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. In condition tetrahedral dice twice, tetrahedral is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, 2, 3, 4 on its four sides and all numbers are equal like to appear. Next event condition. Anu rolls first and then Vinu rolls second. If the number on the first roll is strictly greater than the second dice, Anu wins and gets to watch Wimbledon. What is the probability that Anu will get to watch Wimbledon? Here, even two possibilities. Suppose Anu first possibility condition 1, second again Vinu possibility condition 1 first possibility 1, 1. But here condition given, second condition is greater than the first one. A 1, 1 not possible because 1 is equal to 1 also not possible. A next possibility, a next n of a number of events is equal to a first possibility 1, 2 because 2 is greater than 1, second one is greater than first one, then only possible. Next similarly, first fixed 1, a 1, 2 possible, next 1, 3 possible, next 1, 4 possible, maximum only 4, that is already given 4 sides only. A 1 completed, second 2, for suppose 2, 1, a first one is less than second one, that is not possible. 2, 2 is equal to 2, again not possible. Next possibility 2, 3 only possible, next 2, 4 also possible. Similarly 3 and 4, a 3 possibility condition 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, up to 3 not possible, remaining possibility only 4. Next 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, again not possible, 4 condition not possible, less than or equal to possible but not greater than. Total possibilities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your next probability is equal to 6 by 16. Number of events is equal to 6. N of S means all possible outcomes is called sample space. It is denoted by S. Then probability is equal to 6 by 16 is equal to 3 by 8. Option C only correct. This question is lengthy but answer is very simple. If the problem is belongs to probability, a probability unique method n of e by n of s, event is always subset of sample space. A first condition, calculate all possibilities. Next, calculate all events. Event by total is called probability. This is about fifth example method. Next, sixth example. I think this is called allegations and mixtures concept. A method of allegation. Concept of allegation method. A first one type 1 variety, second type 2 variety means type 1 is called milk or water, second one again milk or water. Suppose this is considered A and next one consider B. Next A plus B is called mixed part, is also called allegation part. Then method modulus of M minus B, next modulus of M minus A. Then ratio of first one and second one is equal to modulus of M minus B is the modulus of M minus A. This is about allegation topic procedure. But this example consider only water and milk in allegation topic assumptions. If suppose water price not given, assumption is equal to 0. Milk price not given, always consider is equal to 1 rupee. But this example, milk not considered because water not considered because that price is 0. 0 into something is equal to 0. Here calculate only milk price only but not water price. A first can 25 percentage of water. A first can 25 percentage of water means water is to milk is equal to 25 is to 75 is equal to 1 is to 3. Similarly, second part 50 percentage of water, remaining 50 percentage milk. Again calculate ratio 50 is to 50 is equal to 1 is to 1. Next, third part is called mixed. Mixed part already given 3 is to 5. This is called mixed part of first can and second can is equal to 3 is to 5. Method: calculate only quantity of milk. Suppose in first can quantity of milk is equal to 3 by 4. This is called first variety. And also second can or second variety quantity of milk 1 is to 1 means 1 by 2. Next, mixed part of can 1 and can 2 3 is to 5. Calculate only milk is equal to 5 by 8. Next, to apply the formula modulus of M minus B is modulus of M minus A, that is 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Second, modulus of M minus A, 5 by 8 minus 3 by 4. Calculate ratio of type 1 and type 2. Here 5 by 8 means LCM 8, numerator 5, numerator 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 8. And second part LCM 8, 5 minus 6 is equal to 1 is to 1 ratio. Water is to milk is equal to 1 is to 1. Total quantity 12 liters. Calculate water quantity and milk quantity. 1 is to 1 means 50 percentage, 50 percentage. So answer 6 liters and 6 liters. Option B only correct. This is about 6th example. Once again, concept only important. A type 1 variety means first can cost price. Cost price of first can. Cost price of first can means cost price of water plus cost price of milk. We know that cost price of milk is equal to 1 rupee per liter. Total quantity of milk in first can is equal to 3 by 4 liters. 1 liter 1 rupee. 3 by 4 liters. 3 by 4 into 1 is equal to 3 by 4. Second cost price of water. Quantity of water in first can is equal to 1 by 4. But quantity 1 by 4. Price is equal to 1 by 4 into 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, total cost price of can 1 is equal to 0 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. This is the exact method of this topic. Then this type of questions are given. Always consider only milk but not water. Next, 7th example. Pointing towards a man, Amit says, he is the brother of my granddad's only son's wife. How is the person related to Anil? A family based example. There is no formula here. Just you apply only concept. Just you apply back to front method. A back to front method means my grandfather's only son wife. My grandfather only son, my father. My father wife mother. Mother brother is called maternal uncle. Method is back to front method. My grandfather only son means my father. My father wife mother. Mother brother maternal uncle. Father brother paternal uncle. Mother brother maternal uncle means option C. Next, 8th example again, reasoning concept. Here first one. Battery A lasts longer than B. Long nothing but greater than operator. Shorter is nothing but less than operator. Here first one, A greater than B. First equation. Second, B does not last as long as C. That is less than the B less than C. A greater than B. Second, B less than C. This is called conclusion. But here conclusion of first two statements, A greater than B less than C. But we want to C and A relation. C and A relation greater than possible, less than possible, but not unique. So answer uncertain. Option C only correct. Suppose A greater than B greater than C, then only true or false possible. But here A greater than B, B less than C. C and A relation not given. That cannot be possible. So uncertainty means uncertain. Option C only correct. Ninth example, statements and conclusions. Statements, all jets or phones. Some phones are jets. Method. Using two statements, draw Venn diagram. Here, first Venn diagram, all statement. Second, some statement. First is no statement Venn diagram. Next, some statement Venn diagram. Next, all statement Venn diagram. Here, there is no statement Venn diagram. The combination of all and some relations only. First, you draw some statement Venn diagram. Some phones are jets. First statement. Some phones are jets. Second, all jets are phones. This is called Venn diagram of two given statements. In that Venn diagram, check the conclusions. First conclusion, some jets are jets. No, there is no relation. That is not correct. Some jets are jets. Again, not correct because there is no relation here. Some chairs are phones. Some chairs are phones. Exactly correct because counterpart is available. Correct. Some trains are jets. A train relation not given. That is always not correct. Out of 4 conclusions, third one only exactly correct. Means only 3 follows. Only 3 follows means only 3. Option A only correct. Only 3 follows, but not only 2 and 3 not correct. 1, 2, 3 not correct. All follows not correct. Right here, option mistake. Only 3 follows only correct. Okay, right. This is about 9th example. Next, 10th example, ranking concept. In a row of boys, Siddhartha is 8th from the left and Virat 13th from the right. First condition, left, right. This is called left and point and right and point. Yes, Siddhartha 8th from the left. This position is called Siddhartha left position. And Virat is 13th position from the right end. This is called Virat. Second, if they interchanged their positions, Siddhartha becomes 23rd from the left. Siddhartha 23rd from the left. Interchange their positions means here Siddhartha plays Virat plays Siddhartha. Next part, Siddhartha becomes 23rd from the left. 23rd from the left means this is called left 23rd position. 23rd position. Okay, right. Yeah, next, right. Next, how many boys are there in the row? Method easy, but here concept example. Vijay rank 12th from top and 13th from bottom. Find total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 12 plus 13 minus 1 is equal to 24. Minus 1 means same person counting left and right. Same person counting here 2 times, but in a row or in a class count only 1 time. Second concept. Suppose Vijay rank 10th in a class of 31 students. Find his rank from bottom. From bottom rank is equal to 30 minus 10 plus 1. Plus 1 indicate again we count another time means plus 1. Here top and bottom minus 1. Total top plus 1. This topic depending only 2 operators. One is plus 1, one is minus 1. Then this question answer 35 only correct. Next, 11th, direction test concept. A direction test, 8 directions, each direction 45 degrees, east, south, west and north. Here arrow indications only correct. A first statement, a child was looking for his father. He went 90 meters in the east, Suppose this point is called starting point, 90 meters in the east. This direction is called east, 90 meters. Next, before turning to is right. After 90 meters, turn to right means this is called right position. He went to 20 meters. This is called 20 meters distance. Again turns to right. This point right. This is called right direction. To look for his father, it is uncle place 30 meters from this point. To distance only 30 meters. This point is called uncle point. His father was not there. From there, he went 100 meters to the north before meeting his father in a street. Next part only 100 meters north. This direction is called north. This point is called father point. This point is called starting point. Calculate the distance between father and son. Always calculate only shortest distance. You find out father and son x value. This is called right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem application, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, where AC is equal to x, x square is equal to EB. A total 100 meters. This side only 20, remaining part 80, 80 square. Total 100 meters. 20 already completed parallel to this line. Remaining part only 80. This line 90 meters. A 30 completed. Remaining part only 60. Then x square is equal to 80 square plus 60 square. X square is equal to 10,000. Then x is equal to 100. But distance always positive. Negative does not exist. 100 meters only correct. Option D. This is about direction test. Direction test application. Total we have 8 directions. Each direction 45 degrees. 8 directions is equal to 360 degrees. One direction is equal to 360 by 8 is equal to 45 degrees. Next important, here clockwise, rotational and irrotational. That concepts also important. Rotational means left to right. Irrotational, right to left. This is about direction concept. Next, 12 to 16 puzzle test. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. Statement number 1. A, B, C, D, E and F are 6 members in a family in which there are 2 married couples. D is the father of F and both D and F are lighter than B. A family and also height or weight. Here first one, D is the father of D. 2 cases, one is relation, one is comparison test, comparison. First one, D is the father of F. Here F father, D is the brother of F. D and F brothers. Okay. Yes, D is called male. D brother. But F brother or sister possible. Second, D and F are lighter than B. Lighter indicate less than operator. Means D less than B. Next, F less than B. This is called comparison test. Next, B is the mother of D. Means a DF mother B. Indirect meaning DF brother F. Mother B. Next, lighter than E means B less than E. Third statement meaning. Next, C, a lady is neither heaviest nor lightest in the family. E is lighter than C means B less than E less than C. The grandfather in the family is the heaviest person. But this is called relation. But pending A and C, A, C, E, but C lady, but here not possible. Here 2 couples, here not possible. Here C possible only grandparent, a grandparent, parent and children. But already B mother, C not possible. A C that is called lady, grandparent means grandmother. Next, A and E only 2 possibilities. But here condition, the grandfather in the family is the heaviest person. but A and E, but E already completed by using this equation. E is not a heaviest because B less than E less than C. Then possible only A. A is called grandfather. A is called grandfather. Here AC one couple, next BE one couple, next D and F only children. Here B and E. Here already B declared mother, then E father. Next D and F brother and sister relation. Next mother B, father E. Next grandfather A, grandmother C. This is called family relation concept. Next comparison concept logic. Here B less than E less than C. This is the perfect clue. Next, D less than B, F less than B. First possibility, D less than. Second possibility, F less than. Because a relation not given. Suppose F less than D possible, D less than F also possible. Here two possibilities only exist here this example. Here F less than D, D less than B, B less than E, E less than C. Second possibility, either or. B less than F, F less than B, B less than E less than C. Except A. But A is called heaviest person by using last statement. Means last finally this is called A. By using ascending order. This is called comparison test. Two cases possible here. One is relation concept, second comparison concept. Your next questions. Number 1, how is E related to F, father? How is C related to D? C to D, grandmother. How many male members are there in the family? But F relation not given. If it is given, 3 not given. So not possible. Option A. Which of the following is a pair of married couples? AC and BE. But AC not given, BE only given. Next, who among the following will be the second place if all the members in the family are arranged in the descending order of their heights? Descending order, ascending order, D or F possible. Descending order possible only C. Descending order possible only C means option C. This is about puzzle test. One puzzle, 5 questions, 5 marks. Here logic, one is relation concept, second comparison concept, greater than or less than. Next, 17th example, profit and loss concept. Here, sold means selling price and profit. Selling price, cost price relation. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100. Selling price 4600. Find cost price. Next, 15% gain. 115 by 100. Here, find cost price. Cost price is equal to 4600 into 100 divisible by 115. Next, 5 into 21. 5 into 2. 5 into 2. 5 into 3. Next, 5 into 20. 23 into 1. 22 into 2. Then cost price is equal to 4000. Option C only correct. Just formula only important here. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100 when gain is given. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus L by 100 when loss is given. Next, 18th, time and work concept. Here, work is always inversely proportional to the time. First condition, Tom and Ricky complete a piece of work in 6 days. First statement, both together, T plus R, 1 day work is equal to 1 by 6. Second, Tom only work is equal to 10. That is 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10. Then next equation 1 minus 2. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10. LCM 60. LCM 30 or 60. 30 only correct. Here next numerator 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 by 30. 1 by 15. 1 day work 1 by 15. Whole work 15 days. This is about time and work concept. Once again, a time and work concept application. Work is always inversely proportional to the time. Suppose A work 10 days, B work 20 days, find A plus B. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 is not correct method. If number of persons added, work is decreasing process. Inverse proportion means increasing, decreasing. Vice versa is called inverse application. A time and work type of questions are given. First method, all the statements are converted into a inverse. Next to apply the operator. This example, first statement both together means A plus B 1 by 10. Next 1 by 6. Second alone 1 by 10. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 15. 1 day work 1 by 15, whole work 15 days. Option B only correct. Next, 19th one, coding and decoding concept. Here A1, B2, C3, D4 and so on, Z26. Write only letter number position. But G good is equal to 5, meaning G is equal to 7. O is equal to 15, O is equal to 15, D is equal to 4. Sum is equal to 30, 37, 41. Good is equal to 41. Convert into a single digit. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Same method apply the given statement. That is called coding and decoding method. F number 6, A number 1, I number 9, R number 18. Sum of these terms is equal to 6 plus 1 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 18 34, 3 plus 4 37, 3 plus 4 7. Option A only correct. 19th question method, logic. Coding and decoding is nothing but one statement is given. In that statement, find the logic. Same logic apply the given question. But reasoning concepts, a number of logics possible. Must verify the option if solution available, that is exact correct of the given statement. Otherwise, next to apply next another logic. Here a number of logics possible in coding and decoding and also reasoning concept. A logic, sum of the digits convert into a single digit. Next 20, last example, letter series concept. J number 10, F number 6, M number 13, A number 1, F number 13. Next logic, first logic, difference concept. Second multiplication concept. Verify the logic. A series is nothing but sequence of letters is called letter series. You have to from the series. By using number concept, series is not possible here. Here possible only logical method, that is J means January, F February, M March, next A April, May, M May. Next part June. Month code J means B, option B only correct. This is about letter concept. Letter concept, first method, difference concept, second multiplication, third square number and cube number, and next letter opposite concept. These methods only applicable to letter series, letter classification, letter analogy. But this example sequence method, that method exactly wrong. Method applicable to only month code series concept, January, February, March, April, May, June. Then answer J, option B only correct. This is about 11th paper solutions. Here one thing important, only concepts in quantitative aptitude and also logical ability. In logical ability, important part only puzzles based questions only important, and quant important permutations, combinations and probability. Next time, distance and speed. These topics applicable only. A concept of the topic means a logic. Suppose probability topic method n of e by n of s. What do you mean by n of e and n of s? If you know that exact meaning of e by s, then only answers possible in probability topic. Next, reasoning concepts are very simple. I think there is no formulas in reasoning concept. That questions based on only thinking power. That ideas only important reasoning part. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.